everybody, we're back. We're back to Lava Blaster 360 Gaming. Today I'm not playing a game, I'm doing a Lego, and it's gonna be really fun. You're gonna love it. So, we're doing a review of Lego City. Set lava crawler, volcano crawlers. This is 6 to 12, 60122. I know you can't see. And volcano crawler, 324 pieces. And that's the front. It says a lot of warnings. It's pretty cool. And then let's take a look at the side. This side, just everything, because there's the picture of the front. I have to do this. And there's a logo and the set name, set number. And there's a huge description where it's made. We don't care. And then I think it's in Spanish. This is something else. I don't know. I don't speak any of that. We'll go to the very other side. Logo of club, Lego club, and then warnings. There's a lot of warnings in this box. My throat's really bad. I'm kind of sick. And there's the same thing in the back. Let's take a look. There's Lego.com, where you can get more of this. There's Lego, the number. Oh my gosh. Look. So yeah. This is this is like a really tall set. Usually if I have my other set I can do. It's not that much. This guy's like, I don't know how he wears that. It's pretty much, I'll show you. That's all for the box. Sorry. Need to make sure I don't break anything. And we go to the thing. The main truck. It does not roll on that good. Because sometimes it'll be like this, it would just like get stuck. So I'd rather do it on the carpet. And this is pretty cool. You spin this around, because you can't do it like this. You should be careful where you put this, because I accidentally put it up here and this kept hitting this, so you gotta be careful. And yeah, so you put it like that, you turn it, hit it, you'd be like, turn around, that's all. That's all for the thing. No, there's a lot more. So how you put the driver in is you take this off. Sorry for that, I'm sick. Sorry, I'm really sick. And these two come off. You press this red dot and it starts pushing it. There's like a rubber band they'll give you. Red rubber band, and yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a cool set. I say you should buy it especially. The wheels are pretty good because they all these aren't like the Batman one, which I didn't showcase yet, which I will when I get it. It's type of different wheels. Like, it's not like a tank like type. It's way different. What you do is they'll give you these. I'll show you a diagram. I'll just take this out. So I'll show you. It's hard. It won't come off for some. I think I put it too tight. So they'll give you things like this, and you have to attach it. They'll give you 44 because we have two. We'll put it to 22 on each side, and yeah. And there'll be these are stickers. And this is not the only thing. We have the volcano ball, a lighter, and then we have the little the bike with the chain so we can pull it. Woo, woo. And then we have the logo of Volcano. North, south, east, west. And then we have driver. Not that much for this. It's really easy to build this, like really easy. These two come to there is three manuals. First manual is really easy. It's really not that much. Okay, then we go to second. Second's the one where most of this comes apart. This comes at the third manual. Instructions manual, third one starts with this. That's all. Oh yeah, you might get you'll get not that many extras, so you shouldn't lose the pieces. Rocket launch, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I really recommend you get this set because it's fun to build, and this does not work that good on desks. I'll show you how good it works on. For 1 second. Let me go put this. I really say you should. I really recommend you to get this. So, I'll hold it. Do you guys see it? No, they do not see it. They do not see it. Now you guys see it. So here, I'll put it up to there. It's hard. This is my first with this recording, and I hope you subscribe. And if you guys subscribe and give a like, I say we go for 200 likes, 200 subscribers. Go really nice. And on the next video, I'll make it better. Please, I really hope you subscribe and give me a like. It works better on carpet and on the floor rather than on desks. Okay, I fixed it. So, I really hope you like this video, and I hope you give me a like and subscribe. We'll go for 200 likes, 30, 40 subscribers. That'll be really good. I hope we get it. Bye, guys.